In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Webflow. We'll walk through opening your project in Webflow, finding exactly what you need on the canvas, and connecting a helpful app that streamlines managing your CMS collections while you build. Follow along, and I'll call out every click you need to make. Start by heading to your Webflow site in the Designer. Make sure you're signed in and that you've opened the correct project so you can work directly on the canvas. If your workspace uses multiple sites, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, use the on-screen search or focus area shown in the UI and type into the highlighted field exactly as it appears in your view. You'll do this twice to refine the result. This helps narrow Webflow's options to the specific item or panel we need. When the highlighted option appears, click it to proceed. If you don't see the highlight, zoom out slightly or toggle panels to reveal it. Now, click the option labeled Manage Your Webflow CMS Collections from Clay. This opens a quick view so you can confirm you're looking at the right integration for managing CMS content alongside your landing page work. From here, choose Open Full Listing to view the complete app page with all details. On the app listing, first open the Description tab to understand what the integration does and how it fits into your workflow. Then open the Permissions tab to review exactly what data the app can access. Taking a moment here ensures your workspace stays compliant with your team's policies. When you're comfortable, click Install on Site to connect it to the project you have open. To see the app in action and get guided help, go to the Integration Announcement page and click Get a Demo. This takes you to a short demo flow. On the demo page, click through the highlighted form fields one by one. Provide the requested details as prompted, keeping entries accurate so the walkthrough tailors recommendations to your use case. When you reach a drop-down labeled Select One, pick the option that best matches your role or needs. Continue by clicking See Clay in Action to submit the form and load the interactive preview. Then click Next to move forward through the demo steps. If a scheduler or additional options appear, just continue as shown on your screen. That's it. You've opened your Webflow project, found the right panel using the highlighted prompts, reviewed the Clay app's details, installed it on your site, and stepped through the demo so you can confidently manage CMS collections as you build your landing page. Keep your Designer open